In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Notion sidebar in the easiest way possible. When you first open Notion, the sidebar can look a little messy or overwhelming. You might have pages everywhere, random notes, and no clear structure. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple, repeatable system you can use to keep everything organized, so you always know exactly where to put new notes and where to find them later. The main idea is to organize your sidebar using folders, which in Notion are called page groups or nested pages. Start by thinking about the main areas of your life or work. For example, you might have different projects, or if you're a student, you might have different classes. Each of these will become a main folder in your sidebar. Create a new page for each project or class, and treat that page as a folder. Give it a clear, simple name so you know what lives inside it. Once that main page is created, you don't need to fill it with content right away. Instead, you'll use it to store and group related pages. This keeps your sidebar from becoming a long, confusing list. Next, whenever you need to take notes or create anything new, start by deciding which project or class it belongs to. Then, create a new page for that note or document. This could be meeting notes, homework, brainstorming ideas, planning documents, or anything else you need to capture. After you create that page, make sure you add it into the right folder. In Notion, you can do this by dragging the new page in the sidebar and dropping it onto the project or class page. When you see it indent underneath, you'll know it's been grouped correctly. Over time, each folder becomes a nice, tidy collection of everything related to that topic. A helpful tip is to keep your names consistent. For example, if you're making lecture notes, you might name them by date or topic. If you're working on projects, you might group things like research, tasks, and final deliverables under the same project folder. As you continue using Notion, make a habit of spending a few seconds after creating any new page to place it in the right folder. That tiny extra step keeps your sidebar clean and makes it much easier to stay focused and find what you need later. By organizing your Notion sidebar with simple folders for each project or class,